Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta, explained what is called the maintenance of a pure mind. He called it a heart essence of total delight. We meditate on what it means to be a sentience that does not hunt. We let out the roar of the lion of emptiness. Then there arises the three omens for a fortunate awareness. The manifestation, who is chakra, has melted into the universe. Brahma has melted into the south. By the force of this, we were blessed by the victorious ones of the 10 directions. Their manifestations cut through our doubts, and we dwelt in what it means to be a sentience that does not hunt. Then the mighty chakra used his power to summon the victorious ones of the 10 directions, and an actual hero of the mind arose. The Lord of Secrets had arisen, his jewels blazed, and he imparted empowerment. Then he cut through our doubts about a pure realm that we do not travel to. Then he used the blessings of his compassion to make a stupa of blazing jewels, which had 4 progressive levels to it. In its center there was the throne of the golden wheel. Upon it, from out of the cool cover of a wheel of precious jewels, there came the very instant of the end of time. I used the blessings of the lineage in which our minds are equal to the 9 spaces of the sky to explain. In an effort to teach my children, who are my further emanations, I used the blessings of their compassion in a cave in the land of Dharmakāya, where there was a child of my body, one who was of the caste of kings. It was at the end of the first session when this arose. We were blessed by birds that had the bodies of hybrid beings, and we became elated. Our heart signs were clearly signs of the 5 wisdoms. Thusness is non-dual. When they are mixed, we renounce them. O child of the gods, you have the marks and exemplary features. Let out the teachings that emptiness is beyond strife. Prahevajra, who is our supreme teacher, spoke to Vajrasattva himself in that cave of astounding manifestations to people who were fortunate and who were further manifestations. In the mandala of the clear light of our awareness, where blessings open the door of wisdom, we settle into the path of the secret Vajra.